Hello, lovely cherubs. I'm working on my heart map, and I thought I would explain to you how you can make it look really pretty. If you're not somebody who cares about that, that's totally fine. You can just either add in images or text boxes with words and put them all over your heart map. But I'm a little extra, and so I wanted to make my heart map look really pretty. So what I did is I saw this was the background, and so I went to this other website called wordcloud.com. And what I did to start was I entered a word list. So over here where it says word list, I clicked on that. And then I added in a list of things that matter deeply to me that are close to my heart. And you can see I added, looks like 46 items. At first, I only added like 12 items, and then it didn't really work because there weren't enough words to make the heart shape I wanted. So I started by adding all those items. I would guess you probably have to have at least 40. Then after that, I clicked on apply. And then it created this beautiful word cloud. When I first did it, it just was like a basic square shape. Oops. So I picked shape, I had a square, and it just looked like your standard square like this. But I know I wanted it to be a heart because it's a heart map. So I went to shape and I found this little heart and I clicked on it. And what magical joy, it turns into a heart-shaped word cloud. So then if you're starting to get real fancy, you can go over here where it says colors and you can choose different color. Actually, I guess it's theme you want to pick and you could make it like pink and red and orange if you wanted. Looks a little too fiery for me. Or you could pick different shades of blue. Totally up to you. You do you, boo. So I'm going to just stick with this lovely guy here. Lots of variety. And now the next thing you'd think you want to do is is like save the image. But the problem is if you save it, it's going to save with a background. So if I double click on it and I click save image as, it's going to download right here and it's got this big background. So if I tried to copy this, and if I tried to paste it into my heart map, I would have this big annoying white background taking up space. So I don't want to do that. So got to follow a next step. So what I did is I downloaded this, or instead of clicking copy image, I right clicked on my word cloud and I clicked save image as. And now I'm going to open it up and I'm going to save it in my desktop. You can call it whatever you want. Save as my awesome heart map, whatever. And maybe I'll put with background to remind myself. So that's now on my desktop and I'm going to click on save. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to this lovely website called remove.bg. This guy is magical. BG stands for background, remove.bg. You go in here and all you got to do is click on upload image and you're going to choose that image that you had just saved. So here's mine, my awesome heart map with background. Let me click open and here's the original version and it's going to show me, oh my gosh, it just removed the background for me, which is so cool. So now I have a heart map with no background to worry about. So to get this into my into my page of my notebook, I'm going to click download, and then I'm going to open up that download, and I'm going to save this to my desktop. So I'm going to save as my awesome heart map with no background. Woohoo! We'll call it that, and we'll save that. And now that is saved. So all I've got to do now, I know not all, I've done a lot of things, but I'm going to go back to my heart map. I'm going to click on Insert Image, Upload for Computer, and then I'm going to find the thing I just saved right here. And when I enter it in, oh my goodness, the background is gone, which is so magical. It's transparent. So I'm going to now shape this to kind of mimic the shape on my page of my heart map here. And then I have a heart map that is pretty super snazzy. And the only other thing left to do on this page is to just add my name where it says your name here. So as soon as I've done that, I am good to go, as are you. I hope this tutorial helped for all you artsy people out there. Have a great day.